Howdy folks, George Shively back with you. We are on a 400 SeaRay Sundancer here that we did some work on in the summer of 2013. We redid the electronics on it, reinstalling some of the old gear. Excuse the light, we're in a dark storage building. Created new fascia, as you can see here, because the old fascia was just brown and kind of looking ugly. Took out all the gauges, remounted the gauges, created a little fascia around the Garmin unit here. It's difficult to tell, but there's a little fascia right around the Garmin unit there. The one thing we did not do was deal with the two switch panels here, because that was going to take some time to have new panels made. If you look at the existing panel, one of the existing panels, you can tell it's faded. It's just one quick way to quickly look at a boat and go, it's old. Well, when you look at that, that's the new panel that we had made. One of the switch toggles has come off there. You can tell right away it just totally makes the boat look beautiful. Updates the boat and just makes it look like it's a new boat. So obviously a few wires involved here, taking off and putting back on. We're gonna do that. We've just got the wires reattached here to the lower panel. We've got to put the backlighting back on so that the etching can be seen when you turn on the running lights. You have to connect the halon system, and that's it. So just kind of wanted to show you what's involved here and how nice this is going to look once this is done. So stay with us and we'll show you our progress. Thank you folks, and we are back. Just wanted to show you how things are coming together here on the 400 EC. I have the all the wiring connected to the back of the panel. Switches are in. Backlighting has been replaced. That requires a special type of lighting. And the material here on the bottom where the switches are is just a bit different than the material at the top. Not appreciably different, but it's just a little bit different. A little thinner, and it is translucent when the top is etched, where you see all the, of course, the purpose of the switch. I've got backlighting behind there, just like comes from the factory, and the material on the top is a little bit thicker, more designed for heavier applications like electronics, and that is not translucent. So we like to use this stuff down here because it is translucent, and we can really mirror the look of the boat as it came from the factory. Down here as well, again, excuse the lighting here, we're in a dark building, but this is, as you can see here, I'll try to put the two panels together. There's the new panel, and there is the old panel. So you can kind of tell the old panel in areas looks like the new panel, but for the most part it was brown and ugly and just not too very attractive. Take that away and you look at that, the boat looks brand new. Of course, we have to put the white vinyl trim around the edge and get this screwed back down, but I'm going to need to replace the windshield vent switch because that is defective, and didn't find that out until we got it almost put back together. So just wanted to give you a quick show here of what this looks like, and again, old material and new material, and unless the owner said something, you'd never know that it was replaced. It just looks new. So, and this boat is a 1997 boat, so it really gives it a pretty updated, fresh appearance as opposed to tired and worn out. So thanks very much. As always, George Shively at South Shore Marine Electronics. Telephone's 216-407-6553. Our email address is southshoremarineenelectronics@oh.rr.com. Thank you, folks.